gorgeous people? This is Bazaar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super fun superhero finds that I found on Amazon. I have to share these with you guys. They are so super cool. And then I got some friend mail. Yay! So without further ado, let's jump into all of this super fun stuff. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the friend mail because I know that's why a lot of you clicked on this video. Most of you don't care about my super fun superhero stuff, but I still continue to share it with you guys because I love it, so I want to share it with you. But yeah, we'll go ahead and start with the friend mail, and the one on top here is from Pat, and Pat's channel is called Blessed GMP. Guys, Pat is so incredibly super sweet. I haven't been able to make it over to her channel as much as I would like to because I am so extremely busy in my life, but I do very much enjoy watching Pat. She has unboxings, she does some super fun creative DIYs, which I absolutely love to see, and then sometimes she just tells you a story, guys. She has a lot of super fun stuff going on her channel, so if you have not checked out Pat, please make sure that you check her out right after you're done watching this video. Okay guys, I have a card. Here it is. Woo! So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what Miss Pat has in store for me. Now, she makes her own cards. I'm sure she made this one too. I love handmade stuff. I don't care what it is. This is so super cute. So it's an Easter card, guys. Look at how pretty that is. We got the little chick, and then we have the Easter basket, all the lovely polka dots and the flowers inside. Oh, that is so beautiful. I love it. Yay! So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it says. This is Happy Easter from Pat, also known as Blessed GMP. Guys, that is so super sweet. Well, thanks a lot, Pat. I'm so glad that you thought of me and you took the time to send me this awesome handmade card. Again, guys, her channel is called Blessed GMP. Please make sure that you check her out. All right, and the next piece of friend mail I have is from Jean, and her channel is called Pinkee Jean. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just love Jean. She is such a super sweet lady, and she still continues to watch my videos even when I can't make it over to her channel as much as I would like to. And nobody, and I do mean nobody, can know how much I really appreciate that. I very much appreciate all of the people who return. I don't know all of them off by heart, but of course, Lois, Jean, Stacy, Sally, I see in my comments quite often. I just appreciate everybody who takes the time to watch my videos and just show me some support and love. I very much appreciate that. So Jean sent me a little postcard, and it says, it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. Guys, that is me to a T. I am absolutely ridiculous. 99.9% of the time, guys. That is honestly the truth. And I would rather be that way than be boring. Totally agree. Okay, let's see. She has a little note in here. It says, reminding you that we love being entertained by you. Thank you, just me, Jean. Oh, thank you, Jean. That's so sweet. Look how fun that is, guys. That is so sweet and so super nice. This is the kind of stuff I love, guys. Something as simple as this, letting me know that you think about me and that you actually enjoy watching my videos means the world to me. So thanks, Jean. I really appreciate that. So again, guys, her channel is called Pinkee Jean. Please make sure you check her out. She has all kinds of super fun stuff going on her channel. She does a lot of unboxings, and she also does collabs quite often, which is super fun. I should get with Jean and do a collab. But she has all kinds of super fun stuff going on her channel. So please make sure that you guys stop over and check her out as soon as you're done watching this video. Okay, guys, now to the haul. Woo! So I was on Amazon shopping for just random stuff. And then it just hit me. What if I just punch in, you know, superhero this, superhero that? What's going to come up? Well, a lot of fun stuff coming out, guys. So came up, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. Let's see. Let's start a little bit smaller here, and we'll do the earrings. Guys, you know that I absolutely love, and I do mean love, Thor. He's like my favorite. So I'm working on a pair of Thor shoes right now. I will have a video on that coming up very soon. But my Thursdays are kind of booked right now with doing sharing my shoe collection. So you're probably not going to see that for a while. But maybe if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll do like a sneak peek of that DIY. But I'm super excited about it. Okay, nonetheless, I bought some Thor earrings. Look at those, guys. Yes, please. I can't remember how much this stuff cost. I'm sure that I will do a split screen to show you in case you guys are interested in getting this kind of stuff too, because I love this stuff. These are probably going to be one of my go-to earrings. Guys, I love Thor, and I'm so glad that I found some affordable earrings on Amazon. Amazon is amazing, guys. They have just about everything you could possibly want. So as I was searching, I think I just typed in Avengers and I found these super cool Avenger earrings. Now, these cost a lot more than I would have liked to spend. I'm not going to lie, but they are so incredibly cool, you guys. I had to get them. I think they were like 20 bucks, which is never what I would spend for a pair of earrings. But a pair of Avenger earrings with all of the stones, totally worth it. I'm just saying. In my opinion, probably not to a lot of you guys. I have Avenger earrings on right now that I got in my Fandom monthly subscription, and I wear these ones literally all the time. Now I'm going to be rotating them with the Thor ones and these Avenger ones, but these Avenger ones are going to be for like very specific outfits because they have all the colors in them, but I'm a very colorful person for those of you that know me, so I have plenty of clothes that will match those earrings. Okay, so this other thing that I got was a super awesome super awesome necklace. So my girl Teresa, her channel is called Teresa Starship. She is so super fun, you guys. Oh my gosh, she is just a big ball of fun. She really is. I just love Teresa. She is so super cool. And she sent me some friend mail back, it was a while ago, and she sent me this awesome bracelet that had like a lot of the Avenger logos on them and stuff like that. So I found a matching necklace. Oh, you guys probably aren't going to see this because it's like facing me. But nonetheless, let me just try to show it to you guys. Okay, so it's a matching necklace that has all of these random superhero logos. I'm not going to go through them all because that is just going to take me way too long. And to be honest with you, I might not know who a few of them are. Nonetheless, look at how fun this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited. So when I do my unboxing, for I think it goes this way because Iron Man was upside down. We don't want Iron Man upside down. Nonetheless, when I do my unboxings for the Heroes Tower and the Thor crate, I can wear all of my geeky stuff. I think that would be super fun. Okay, so then these ones, guys, what an awesome find. Okay, so I typed in like Avengers makeup or something like that. I really can't remember what I punched in. And all of these two sets of super fun makeup brushes came up, and I totally had to get them. So check it out, guys. I think this is for your eyes, right? And the brushes feel pretty good. I may or may not use them. They may be decorative only, but look, what? Iron Man's hand, stop it. I mean, stop it. That is too fun. All right, so we have this one. And then this next one here has the Avengers logo and then the spider. Okay, guys, so what I was saying here didn't make any sense. So I'm just going to let you know that this is Spider-Man. Spider-Man is part of the Avengers. He was recruited by Tony Stark in the battle with Thanos. So this is definitely Spider-Man's logo. Just saying. Sure. But nonetheless, this is super awesome. Okay, so then I have this. Oh, this one is so pretty. And I'm guessing it is representative of Thor with the hammer there. That's like an old school hammer, but I'm still pretty sure that's supposed to be Thor. How pretty is that? I think it's another eye brush. I'm not even showing you guys the brush part because this is the best part. Honestly, I'm probably just going to put this stuff on display in my makeup room. So there you go. Then we have this fan brush that I never use. I get these fan brushes and I never use them. So I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be representative of Thanos with all of the jewels there. But Thanos is actually purple, so I'm not really sure where they're going with the white. But, you know, whatever. Nonetheless, I think that's what that's supposed to be representative of. Again, you guys can let me know if I'm wrong because I'm wrong quite often. And then this one here, oh yes, this brush actually feels quite good. And then we have the Avengers logo again with the, am I showing it to you guys the right way? Am I backwards? I don't know. Yeah, I think this is the right way. Okay, here we go. There's the Avengers logo and then all of the gems at the top and then through here. This is so super fun. You guys, I had to get these. I'm so super stoked. I will most likely not use the brushes, but hey, it's still a great find. Okay. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys too. It also comes with this awesome little makeup bag that you can store it in, or brush bag rather, that you can store the stuff in. How cool is that? I don't remember how much this stuff is, but I'm sure I'm popping it up for you guys as I'm talking about it. Okay, so this next set was so super cute and super fun. I totally had to get these two. You know, they got Spider-Man in with the Avengers again, so I gotta wonder if that other one's supposed to be Spider-Man, maybe because he did join the Avengers for a short time, so that's probably what it's supposed to be. Nonetheless, look guys, What? Spider-Man! And I guess this is supposed to be like a brush or something like that. I'm guessing, or maybe foundation. I don't know. It doesn't matter because, again, I'm probably not going to use these. I just wanted them because they have all this super cool stuff on them. How fun is that? Okay, I'm going to keep going because this video is getting way longer than I want it to be. Then we have another brush that has Iron Man on it. Oh my gosh, stop it. I mean, this is too fun. I just love it. I can't with this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. Okay, and then next I got a Black Panther one. How fun is that, you guys? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And I think it's just another eye brush. So there you go. And then this one here is Captain America. Let's hold him up the right way. There he is. You can see the brush and everything. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I can't with this stuff, you guys. This is so incredibly fabulous. And this next one here is Thanos. So there he is. He's purple. He's got all of the gems with the little hand and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is more representative of Thanos. And then it's just another like eye brush thing. So super cute, super fun. And then, guys, I love it. Thor! Stop it! And you know what's so great about this Thor one? If I was going to be using these brushes, I would totally use this one because it's for your eyebrows. And I do brush my eyebrows out and all that kind of stuff when I get ready in the morning. But again, I'm probably just going to store these on display. And the last one in here, I am guessing this is Doctor Strange. I can't think of who else this would be. It looks like Doctor Strange to me. You guys can let me know if I'm wrong. Just go ahead and, put that in the comments below. But I think this one is Doctor Strange. They didn't tell you what they were in the description, so I'm guessing that is what that one is, and it's just an angled eye brush. Guys, all of these awesome finds were on Amazon. I will put links in the description box below for anybody who would actually be interested in owning this stuff like I do. And they're just links to the products. I don't get any kind of money or anything. They're just links so that you guys can easily find the products on Amazon. So that's all I got for you guys today. I wanted to share my friend mail, and I wanted to share this super fun superhero finds, these super fun superhero finds from Amazon. All right, guys, that's all I got for you this time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! This is Bazaar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I drew a total blank. Wow. Okay, try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super fun superhero finds from Amazon, and I have friend mail. I just feel like it's so rehearsed. Try it again. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with the friend mail because I know that's mainly, what? If you guys haven't seen Pat or checked out her channel, please make sure that you check her out right as soon as, okay. I messed it up.